Hi everyone! We are here right now in the boundary of Myanmar and Thailand, and 3PP is gonna be a summer time right now. It's so hot, so it's good time to go on a falls. So what are you waiting for? You will be able to see this beautiful falls that we have, and of course the water is so cold. And for us to introduce this kind of falls, let me introduce Zoe. Go! Can you tell me what's this falls?
Hello everyone. So this falls name is called the Kintaung Falls, and we usually come here because it has a very nice view, and then it's very nice and cool to swim here.
Yes, thank you very much, Zoe! And of course, you can come and join us next time and let us all swim only here in 3PP in the boundary of Myanmar and Thailand. Remember everyone, it's always possible to travel around the world only through the power of God. Bye everyone. See you.
See you.